Hi everybody, welcome to Reality Buzz TV. So listen, I'm ready in the morning to go to work. I'm getting used to actually being in Durban and working in Durban, which is the best thing ever because I don't need to travel a long way to Pietermaritzburg. So I'm able to get like a video in the morning before I go to work, which is the best thing ever for you and for me. So before I do this video, you guys, listen, please, if you have Wi-Fi, binge watch some videos because you guys were on a holiday this weekend and you are not watching our videos. It's not just me, it's every creator, okay? I know my colleagues are complaining about the same thing, that everybody's on holiday this weekend. You guys are not watching our videos. The revenue is looking taking, so please binge watch our videos over the weekend, and even if you've watched some of them, rewatch them, okay? Boost the revenue a little bit. So on Sunday, you guys, we watched Isencane Lengane. The last time I did Isencane Lengane, I said I am quitting because I felt like they were showing too much of Thembinkosi on the show, and I felt like I don't want to watch Thembinkosi. The reason I started reviewing Isencane Lengane was because I've always wanted to watch Uthando, and I wanted to watch Uthando Nosiyacela. I wanted to watch where that story goes and where it ends, and there was a reason I started watching the show, because I wanted to see where those 16-year-olds that decided to get married even though they shouldn't have done that back like what 5-6 years ago, where they end up. And they were starting to show too much of Thembinkosi, and I just felt like I don't want to watch Thembinkosi because I didn't feel like Thembinkosi cares about Uthando. And I wanted to, and I said that if they're going to continue showing Thembinkosi, I was going to quit the show because there is no way, that is not where my interest is. I want to watch Thando's journey. It looks like this week they went back to Uthando, and it was a sad episode to watch, and it's sad, but at the same time it's like we can't do much about what's happening with Uthando, because Thando's journey is Thando's journey. It's not one of those things where we can watch Uthando and we can sign a petition or something, and we can go on a road and go on a march like justice for like we can say justice for Thando, and then Thando is gonna leave her marriage. I feel like she's going to have to do that for herself. But what I wanted to talk about today is that a lot of people online that are talking about the last Sunday's episode, Thando, they are saying that Thando's mom needs to do something for Thando, and they are saying Thando's mom has tried to help Thando, and Thando did not accept the help from her mom. And I'm of a different opinion when it comes to that, you guys. And I feel like I understand why Thando did not accept help from her mom. This is why I feel like Thando did not accept help from her mom. I'm of an opinion that everybody around Uthando is self-serving. Everybody around Uthando is self-serving. Everybody that pretends to want to help Uthando, they want to help Uthando from a self-serving point of view. I feel like Thando's mom has always been there, and I feel like I never saw Thando's mom fight for Uthando even from the beginning, because I felt like that was the person that we should have seen fight more for Uthando, not to get into that marriage. And that's something that we never even saw from the beginning. And the people that were trying to convince Uthando to not get into the marriage was Ugogo, was Umalume Thando, the one that passed. We never saw that from Uthando, from Thando's mom. Thando's mom started making more appearances on the show when it became more of a financial gain for her to make appearances on the show. And she started fighting more to spend more time with Thando and fighting for Thando to come and live with her when she realized this is my opinion, you guys, when she realized that if Thando lived with her, she can shoot more with Uthando, and obviously imali that they make from Moja Love is going to be received by her and Uthando rather than Uthando no Siyacela. And I think Uthando realizes that for her mother, it's not about her saving her from Usacela. It's not about her mother saving her from Kwadlamoga. It's about her mom wanting that benefit of living with Uthando so that when they shoot the show from wherever they are, where they live with Uthando and her kids and her and her friends, so that they can make money from the show from that side. It's not like Thando's mom wants to save her child. I think that's why Uthando is reluctant from accepting help from her mother. I feel like when Thando looks at her mother, she doesn't see much difference from her and her dad, because even her dad just wants to be around Thando so that he can be able to shoot more scenes for the show. The reason that uThembiNkosi wants the marriage kaThando no Siyacela to end is so that he can possibly spend more time with Uthando, and that Uthando won't shoot Kwadlamoga because she won't be Kwadlamoga, and possibly Uthando will be shooting more with uThembiNkosi because they are hoping maybe Uthando will now be staying with uThembiNkosi and then they'll be shooting more show with uThembiNkosi. So for both uThembiNkosi and uNtomka, it's financial. There's financial gain for them if Thando's marriage ends. Thando is an intelligent girl. She can see that. So she can see, because these people don't love me. Ngashada ngihleli nogogo emakhaya, you know, and none of them were there. None of them even tried to stop the wedding. Do you not remember Umaga Thando when she was supposed to bring the wedding dress for Thando and she never did, even at the wedding? You know, how much do you care about your child if at her wedding you are supposed to bring this wedding dress to the wedding and you don't even show up as a mother? How much do you care for your child? But when the show progressed and they realized that the more that they were around Thando, they were making money, then they wanted to be around Thando. Thando is not stupid. Thando can see that. Thando can see that these people want to be around me because they know that the more that you are around me, the more you make money. It is the same with the Dlamoga wives. That is the reason the Dlamoga wives do not want Uthando to leave. They are not going to give Uthando that taxi money that she wants. When she said, ma, bo ma bami, abaningi kangakayana guys, even if they gave Uthando 20 rands each, you know, I'm sure all of them had money to buy bread that day. I'm sure all of them had money to buy bread that day. If they just sacrificed Bapegi Parish that day, and each of them put 20 rand together, and they gave Uthando to take a taxi, you know, ahamba enkandla from Olundi for that day when she was asking for taxi money, you know, even if she was just, they were like, okay, fine, just, we are not saying leave permanently, just take a break, Thando, you need a break. Bahlanganisa imali uThando ahamba ekhaya Olundi athathe a break. Nobody wanted to do that. You know why they did not want to do that? It's because they know if Uthando ehamba eya enkandla, then the show moves with Uthando enkandla, because then if show izolandela ulona Uthando, because ubani ofuna ukushutha noSiyacela, ubani ozoshutha noSiyacela alone, who wants to listen to Siyacela breathing heavily, ethuka inhlamba, ethuka amakhosikazi akadlamoba. That's why none of those wives gave Uthando transport money to go enkandla, because they want to Uthando there Kwadlamoga to shoot with her. Uthando knows very well there is nobody around her that really genuinely loves her, you know. She knows they know very well what's happening, but they want to keep her around because now they benefit from shooting with him. Siyacela doesn't love Uthando. when he says what he wants divorce, he wants a divorce. Really, he does want a divorce, but he also doesn't want Uthando to leave, because if Thando leaves, there is no show. Because people don't watch the show for Usacela, people watch the show for Uthando. But if Thando leaves the Dlamoga household, then the show is over. Even if Uthando leaves the Dlamoga household and ayohlala eLokuzane, ayohlala eNkandla, they might need to even change the name of the show, because then it's not really Isencane Lengane, because she's no longer married kaDlamoga. Now usesenkandla, maybe she's divorced, maybe she's not divorced, usebuyile emendweni, but it's not really about Uthando nokuba semendweni, because Iselencane Lengane, it's about umendo kaThando. Yes, we will still want to watch Uthando, because most of us watch this show for Uthando, but it will be different. Usacela knows that very well, because people watch the show for Uthando. That's why Ephethe Mvubule not wanting her to leave. Now, with the people that are shooting the show, there is no way that the crew did not have 200 rands to give to Uthando for her to take a taxi and go in Nkandla. There is no way that there wasn't a van or a car or whatever that they had come with to shoot the show, that they couldn't say after the show wrapped up, Thando ngena la emotweni sikhambise eNkandla. There is no way that there wasn't a car egcekeni to say ukuthi okay ngena emotweni sikhambise. There is no way. There is no way that there wasn't a single person in. Listen, you guys, the fourth wall, fifth wall, 10th wall that they talk about should have been broken in that moment when Usacela went and fetched Imvubu. They should have broken that fourth wall and called the police. Why are you shooting a show when there is a man here with Imvubu intimidating a woman to not speak about what happened that night? Because clearly something happened at night that terrified Uthando to a point where she is saying, I want to go home. Give me money to go home right now. And also, why are the producers okay with Uthando saying, I do not have money to go home, when she has been doing the show for how many years? 6 years. She's been doing the show, but she does not have access to her own money. What the hell is happening with that? How is this girl not having 200 rand to move from Olundi to Nkandla? How does she not have money to go home? But you guys have been shooting a show with her. Is that not something to question? Iphi imali besikhokhela yona for all of these seasons? Iphi imali that we paid you for this season? Iphi imali that we paid you for iphi imali that we paid you for last season? How is this girl not having access to her own money? Why is the crew not calling the police when Usacela went and fetched Imvubu? Why did the crew not break the fourth wall when Usacela was intimidating Uthando? Why are they standing there with the camera right in front of him when he is carrying Imvubu, intimidating all of those women, including Uthando there? Why is it okay? Like we talk about GBV, but sometimes the GBV is going to happen right in front of cameras. Like Moja Love and Moja Love crew is not going to do anything. They're not going to call the police. At best, even if they say we don't want to break the fourth wall, yes, the camera man can continue shooting, but the other person, the director, whoever it is, must call the police in that moment. Okay, we can wonder who called the police. It's okay. We can wonder who called the police, but somebody must call the police. It's ridiculous how they just continue to shoot the show. Thando is crying there, screaming. The child is wondering what's happening. They're just shooting the show one. And then after that, they're going to go home and leave Thando in that situation. The person that has made them millions on Moja Love, like Thando has made them millions on Moja Love, but they are going to leave her in that unsafe situations. The person that they might come back the following day and Thando is dead. The person that has made them millions on Moja Love, they are going to leave her there, Olundi, kaDlamoga, and they might come back the following day and she's dead. And they're going to leave her in that situation. They're not going to even call the police. Hi, guys. But there's no one, like Uthando is on her own. Not Tuguti, she's on her own just because Kadlamuga, they're not going to help her, but nobody's going to help her because everybody is self-serving. Her mother, her father, the Dlamuga wives, Usacela, but not only that, even Moja Love is self-serving. Moja Love is there to get as much out of Uthando as possible. They're not worried about her safety. They're not worried about her emotional well-being. They're not worried about her mental well-being. They are there to get the show. So everybody around Uthando, when Thando rejects the help, it's because she knows what, even when help is being offered, it's not coming from a genuine place. Everybody that is offering help to Uthando comes from a self-serving place. When she says Uthando, it's because she knows that is the only place where people are probably not coming from a self-serving place. She wants to go home. She has that feeling that she just wants to go home. But there wasn't even a single person that was willing and give that child money. Not even a crew member that was willing to. I mean, a crew member could have just anikeze uMashanga imali and say, pretend it comes from you, while Usacela was looking the other way. Anikeze ulona umanene imali and say, gogo enze ngathi iphuma kuwena imali. Ugogo akhipha imali athi no Thando nansi imali. And then ulona umakunene can just pretend the money comes from her. Hi guys, it's too much. But those who are saying Thando's mom must do something, even that woman, even her herself, is not a safe place for Uthando. To be honest, she is not, because she's self-serving. Because what was that meeting that she was having with Usacela? There was a nonsense meeting that she was having with Usacela there at the restaurant. You know why she had it? She wanted to shoot a scene so that she can get that money that they get every time they shoot a scene for Moja Love. Because everything that they are doing to make money on the show. Nobody cares about Uthando. Uthando is on her own. And she just needs to take that step for herself and rescue herself. Because nobody is going to do that for her. Not even Moja Love is going to do that for her, because they don't care about her. It was so sad to watch that episode, you guys. It's so sad. And people that are saying this show must be cancelled, it will never be cancelled. It will never be cancelled because it's making millions for Moja Love. Why would they cancel a show that makes them so much money? Why would they do that? It doesn't make any sense. So it's going to keep on coming back. We are going to be in season 25 of Isencane Lengane, and it's just not going to be cancelled. Like we are July 99. People have been saying it must be cancelled, it will never be cancelled because it's making money for them. People's well-being is not the, it's not priority. It's just not, But I hope that you guys, Thando reaches a place where she realizes, you know what, I am my own Superman here. So let me rescue myself. But until she reaches that place, we are just going to be watching the train wreck week after week after week, and cry sometimes. This week I actually cried because I was like, one man, we need one man in South Africa to get hold of it. We need just one man. We need one man. Also, it's hard to get hold of the lamb. Because it needs him. It's good. But we need him while he's carrying lamb to meet a real man in South Africa. Because he needs.